Guys, I'm channel number 5, and this is the video of fake snow on the window.
For summer, right?
Yeah, it's not summer yet, but it's for any time, I think. There's some on the window. I'm gonna spray some on the Joker, Brianna. Okay? Bad Joker, bad! Bad Joker. Bad Joker. That's a bad Joker. Even though it feels weird.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, feeling it.
What's it feel like?
It feels like water. It feels like silly putty.
It feels like silly putty.
Yeah.
What does silly putty feel like?
It's rubbery putty, and it's silly. Like that.
I think you're pointing it the wrong way, bud.
No, it wasn't.
Point it so the whole squirt's away from you.
Whew. It's snowing inside. Okay. Caution, need a hat. So won't go get any hair.
Okay, don't forget to say that into the camera.
Caution, you don't want it in your hair. So maybe it will go in the hat. It feels cool. Hey Joker, what? Take that. Well, this video about snow. Snow on this one. You can make lots of pictures. What? Want to see my name? Cool. This is old.
Good job.
I made my name. But don't spray it in your face.
That's right. What'll happen if you spray it in your face?
It'll kinda hurt, and you have to go to the doctor, I think. Spray everything on this window. So, this is a cool project. Bye now.